Hello guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today. So today we are going to go into hand manipulated lace pattern, and this is so simple, and I'm going to show you two variations of this particular lace pattern. So guys, I've knitted few rows. Let's go to the foundation setting for this lace pattern. So I'm going to leave 3 stitches here and go to the fourth one and remove the stitch and hang it on the next one. That's how I'm going to arrange it till I get to the other edge side, which is 3 needles. So you can see 3 needles here, and you can see 3 needles there. So after selecting the needle to one by one selection of needle, I'm going to knit 2 rows right now. So that's it. I'm going to hang weight on this work right now because it's going to be holding some needle on E position. I'm going to push this to E position or D position, then I'm going to skip this and push this out. I'm going to skip this and push this out to the end of the one by one needle. So that's it guys. I'm going to set my carriage on hold, and this is going to be on hold permanently. My carriage is going to be on hold throughout the knitting process, and this pattern is always better in higher tension. So that's what I discover, is always better in higher tension. So right now I'm going to go ahead and knit 4 rows with all this needle on E position or D position, depending on the knitting machine you are using. So I'm going to knit 4 rows right now. So that's 4 rows. Then I'm going to push this back to D position. Then I'm going to get my claw weight and hang it at the edge side of this particular work right now. Then I'm going to bring out to E position this needle that I skipped that time. So bringing it to E position right now. So that's it. You could remember this is on hold position. So since this needle are on D position, they are going to knit. So I'm going to knit 4 rows right now. You can see they are back to B position, so they are working right now. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then with this, push this backward. And I'm going to bring this. So I'm going to knit 4 rows right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So trying to shift my claw weight up. Then push this back to D position. Then bring this back to work. So you can see that all these needle at the back for the first selections, they are resting. they are on non-working position. So that's how they will be throughout the operation of this pattern. Then I'm going to go ahead and knit 4 rows. One, two, push this back, then knit 4 rows. So I'm going to pack them back together right now. Press this and knit. You can see what we have here, guys. You can see how beautiful this pattern is right now. So you can see what we have. This is the first variation. Then I'm going to show you the next one right now by selecting the needle for the next one, and the next variation is going to be more open than this. So let's go, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and leave 2 needles at the edge. Then I'm going to select my stitches this way. So having 2 needles right now on A position, then go ahead and select, making sure 2 needles are on A position. So shifting this to have 2 there. So you can see what we have. 2 needles are at the back at A position. So the first one is 1 needle on A position. So right now I'm going to knit 2 rows. 1, 2. Then I'm going to select as the same thing. So hanging this right here. Then this will be out. Then I'll skip this. Then this, skip this. So that's it. Push this throughout the knitting process on hold, then knit 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push this back. Then I'm going to, return this to work to E position and knit 4 rows. So same pattern, but here you can see that it's really open because of the needle at the back. So you can still make it 3 needles. It can still be 3 needles, and you select it at 3 needles at the back, then this will still be more open. So I'm going to push this back and push this to A position. Then shift this a little. Knit 4 rows. One, push this, bring this back to E position. So let's see what we have, guys. I'm going to be introducing 1 needle to the work, just like this. And release this right now. Then knit 1 row. Then I'm going to bring this back to the wall. So you can see. So this should be the front side. And you can see the first one. Then this is the second one.